Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Quora Ads, run question-based advertising step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Quora, which is www.quora.com. Once the web page has loaded, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address or username. Input your email address or username into the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you want to stay logged in, check the box that says Remember Me. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. Once you are logged in, look for the top navigation menu. Hover over the More option to reveal additional features. In the drop-down menu, find and click on Quora Ads. You will be redirected to the Quora Ads dashboard. If it's your first time, you may need to create an ad account. Follow the prompts to set up your account if required. Once your account is set up, you'll see an option to create a campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button to start. Choose a campaign objective that aligns with your advertising goals. Select the audience you wish to target for your ads. Set your budget and schedule for the campaign. Add your ad copy and visuals to create engaging content. After reviewing your campaign details, click the Launch button. Your ad will now be submitted for review by Quora. Once approved, your question-based advertising will begin to run. Monitor the performance through the Quora Ads dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.